I'm Pat.
And I'm Michael.
It's November 23rd, Thanksgiving at Kirkpatrick Creative, and that means it's time for a special edition of Two Guys on Stools. So Thanksgiving is Mike's favorite holiday. So Mike, tell us why you like Thanksgiving so much.
It's the start of duck season, and it is the only holiday of the year that is just surrounded by family, giving thanks, and eating a meal. The centerpiece is eating the meal.
Yeah, the food is really fun. And you love to cook.
I love to cook, and I do a delicious fried turkey, and that's my thing. Get you out of the house, one. You don't have to eat dry turkey, two, and you kind of set the timetable for when to eat. So I duck hunt in the morning, come home, fry the turkey on the table for lunch.
So on that note, Mike and I had sort of a wild idea. We thought that we would throw a Thanksgiving feast for the office, but we did it with a twist. We decided we would buy all the food from the dollar store.
$10 limit, not including tax,
Yeah.
but you got to buy plates. You got to buy presentation. You got to buy...
We had to have meat.
A meat, sides, bread, dessert. You don't have to, but that's how it worked out.
Yeah, that's how it worked out. And we had our friends over from Agency 501 next door come judge it. So we'll go to the cooking contest next. I don't know how to transition to that, John. So hey everyone, Mike and I fixed our dollar store Thanksgiving feast. We each had $10 to spend. We had to buy a meat, vegetables, and bread and dessert. And so we're all done cooking. And we brought our friends over from Agency 501 to judge. We got McCabe with us, and we've got Scott. They're gonna sample a little bit of everything and tell us who won.
Blind taste test.
Yeah, they have no idea who cooked what. So with that said, you guys go ahead. Dig in.
All right.
Give me that fork over there.
Let's go.
Okay,
We'll start with the,
I don't even know if I want to eat. I think it might just be like deli
This
meat
is-
ham. I don't think it's even canned.
it's actually not bad at all.
Okay, let's see.
That's actually really good. Fantastic. Did somebody share that recipe with my mother-in-law? All right. Here's the deal. I was raised in South Arkansas. I don't know if those mashed potatoes are gonna do it, but
Yeah,
not bad.
I got to get one of these, what I'm assuming are Funyuns for this green bean casserole.
Can you mess up a green bean? I'm fine
I mean,
with
they're
that.
cold, but
This is gonna be the thing that ends up killing us. Not the meat. It's gonna be the apple pie. No good apple pie is made in advance.
let's see what we got.
And it's cold apple pie.
Oh no.
Woo!
I'm like apple sauce pie.
Not bad.
This is a hot dog bun? Is that what this was? This is a hot dog bun.
I really cut a hot dog bun in half and try to pass it off as bread.
Is
All right, I just gotta know for health reasons what this is before I eat it.
It's chicken.
Okay.
You got burnt bread.
Here,
Okay.
just
One.
Just take one. Just take the whole thing.
I'm not eating the whole thing.
I'm not eating the whole thing either. I'm just taking a bite of
Bare
it.
minimum.
Here we
on that
go.
one.
Let's clink
Cheers.
it. There you go.
I mean, here's the deal. You put hot sauce on anything?
It improves it greatly. I don't think it's better than the ham.
No, not even close. Microwave green beans, all that.
The question is,
I was
oh, this
losing
is a
weight.
legit biscuit.
It is a legit biscuit. Definitely have a bread winner.
Yeah.
Bread's definitely the best thing on this plate.
Yeah, you got. Yeah, I need to get some more of this because this was freaking delicious.
I think you're good enough taste. And check that out. I'm giving
5 out of 5 on dessert. Hello.
Who?
5 point.
There's no way.
I
think you judged my mashed potatoes way too harshly. Compare and contrast
I gave sides on B. I gave sides a 1. He gave me 3. Yo, wait.
You gave me a 2 on the potato.
I gave him a 1 over there.
That's box stuffing.
I can't.
Hey,
You asked me to judge.
I'm
man.
fine with a box.
and y'all didn't know. Y'all thought these. Y'all were praising these till you figured out that they were hot dogs.
Oh, hey man. Yes,
This is a
biscuit. Judge. That's a biscuit. All right.
So our buddies McCabe and Scott, the judges have spoken, and Emma and I, we took the prize home. Say way to go, Emma. We got to shake Mike's hand. He was a tried and true competitor, but what was he?
Look at this. Look at this.
So the results of the first annual Dollar Store Cooking Challenge are in, and Emma and I won. What do you think, Emma? Well, yeah, she's pretty excited, can't you tell? Mike, a little disappointed? Yeah, Mike's a little disappointed. Thanks, everyone. We hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Hope you have lots of fun with your friends and family, and we'll see you on the next episode of Two Guys on Stools.